Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a custom size on your Canva. So how to create a custom size design on the Canva using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a custom design size in Canva. So this is a defined size. For an example, I'm just going to home to the Canva section. Here you can see this. If you click this, it is actually a size they have been mentioned, but you just need a custom design. You can just create it. Click on the create design on the top. Now you will see this is actually a suggest thing, and you can search for an example Instagram post. So just type as post. You can see there is an Instagram post. There will be Instagram post, and the size will be different. So you can see, and if you need to create a custom design, you can see start creating for your media. It is on the bottom. So there will be import file option, and also the image that you already uploaded. You can create the image size or click on the custom size. Now there will be option for the custom size called width and height. You can see you can change the thing that you can change into inches, and centimeter to create the design size. So I just image it's on the px. So here I just going to type as 920, and with size and the height will be 1080. You can see if you are creating a size, you can just type in here. You can see the suggest option, which is a presentation or video or something else. You just click on the create new design, which actually opens the size that you have been given the data on the create design. So this is how you just create a custom size design on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.